Hello everyone, and thanks for stopping by. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to easily enable message timestamps in the Kik app on your Android mobile. This feature helps you see exactly when each message was sent, making your chats more organized and clear. Let's get started. First, open the Kik app on your Android mobile device. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the profile icon. Next, tap on the channel where you want to join the chat. Then, click on the chat area to open the conversation window. After that, click on the three dots located inside the chat section. Now, find the option labeled Show Message Timestamps. Finally, turn this option on by tapping the toggle switch. Once you complete these steps, timestamps will appear next to each message in the chat. This makes it easier to track conversations and understand when messages were sent. That's all there is to it.